You're gonna love watching this Shih Tzu get bows and toes. Meet Charlotte and her dog groomer, Janelle.
Ponytails, right?
Yes, she does.
Oh,
and
Charlotte.
she gets her nails painted. Today we're doing purple.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We can't wait. Charlotte's a good girl.
Very used to having her photo taken, aren't you? I took her feet shorter than I normally would. That's just because of the fact that she gets them painted. We want to show it off, and it makes it a little easier for me too, because I don't have the most steady hand when it comes to painting nails. I don't have many, but there's a few here and there that.
Yeah.
It used to be more popular.
Yeah, I agree.
Poodles and short-haired dogs. Like I had
Yeah.
I had a Labradoodle yesterday that gets completely shaved down, and her mom had me do neon pink on her.
That would be pretty.
And that looked really cool.
She's pure jet black.
Oh, that would look awesome. Yeah.
Yep, it was really.
Do you use a special kind of nail polish for dogs? Is it quick drying or?
It is quick drying. We've tried the Warren London pens, and they're great like the first 2 times, but they dry out very quickly, and then
You just have to toss them.
very much of a pain. I really like Davis. They have the most variety of colors, and theirs are all quick drying.
I guess I'm gonna have to try it, but my own dogs are boy dogs, so I can't try it on them. So I'd have to try it on a client dog.
Baby, do you pluck your hair?
Absolutely.
You do.
Yes.
Very controversial.
Yes, it is. How about you guys?
Yes. And no.
It
Some dogs I don't.
it depends.
Only if it's necessary. Those ear hairs go all the way down, let's say in a poodle, all the way down to the real sensitive areas in the ear, and all their buildup sticks to it and lays against that soft skin, and it causes irritation, just like the dogs that get severe eye boogers. When we remove that, it's raw, right?
Yep.
It just makes no sense to not remove that hair. It's very controversial.
And do you do anal glands?
No, that I don't do, because I feel if they're not expressing their anal glands naturally, then it's more of a diet medical issue. And if anybody's going to be squeezing on the dog's anal glands to express them, forcing it to be expressed, it should be a vet, because if something goes wrong, you can actually explode dogs' anal glands. And I just don't feel like us groomers should have to deal with that. I really don't. But we've been made to do it all these years, so people expect it, from their groomers.
They're gonna die.
Does she get bows too, Janelle?
She does,
Aw.
and she wears them all the time, so she's
Oh, so it gets a
generally
little
matted
tangled,
when
yeah.
she comes in. Yep.
Aw,
A
yeah.
little bit of dematting to do.
How often does she come in to see you?
We've gotten down to every 6 weeks, because that seems to be her sweet spot for
Yeah.
keeping her hair manageable.
Those tools do help a lot, just to break up the mat.
Yep. Instead of having to cut it out. That one's a little too big.
And they better watch out. And especially if you got lots of
The top of her head was probably like this long,
Really?
and they decided to take it off to try something different. And we did, and now we're growing it back in, because Mom just loves the
those
top and
ponytails.
tails, so, yep.
I like them too, but it's cool to try some new things,
Yep, and it's hair, so it grows back.
Yeah, it grows back.
If we leave the bows in our dog's hair more than a couple of days, the bands will start to mat the hair. Just be sure to take them out every couple of days, brush out the hair, and then you can put them back in.
Ponying up Charlotte. Oh my God. That's what's really cute.
Doing hers purple for spring.
Oh, that's pretty.
Hers are a lot easier to do because they're white, so it's a lot easier to get the color to
That looks so pretty.
pop.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
And I
They look
also
like little Tic Tacs.
I know. I'll also, because she gets them done every time she comes, so there's color on.
Yeah.
I actually will grind them and grind the color off, and
Yeah.
the texture from the grinding makes the color stick on better.
Oh, and stay on longer.
It's a win-win situation.
That's smart. You are so fancy. And it looks so easy to work with it being on a pin applicator.
Yeah.
And this is a Davis product?
This one has actually a Esprit.
Oh, Esprit, okay.
Warren London makes them too, but I like the Esprit a bit better.
It's very nice to use it that it's in a pen, you know, since you're working with a dog.
You just push the tip down. It's kind of like one of those chalk pen markers, kind of like that.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
And these are dog safe, so like if they chew it or lick on it or something, it's not gonna hurt them.
Yeah. Look at her. I think she enjoys this.
Yep, she loves her little spa day.
Charlotte, you're absolutely beautiful, honey. You're so beautiful. Yes. Such a good girl. Oh my God. Oh. So not too many people request for nail paint.
No, not too many,
But-
and thankfully she's perfect for it.
She is.
Will still.
Can you imagine if you had a dog that was hard to work with and they wanted the nails done? It just would be a nightmare.
Yep.
She's perfect.
Her mom requested leopard print scarf.
Oh.
So I'm gonna see what I can manage for bows to match. Still haven't figured that one out yet.
Well,
Purple.
yeah, because she's got purple nails.
Look at that. I don't even need a second coat for this one. They look
Wow,
amazing.
Charlotte, they look great. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to get the pretty face in there first. You guys are really loving the iGroom colognes too, aren't you?
We are. iGroom and Hydra are my favorite colognes.
Yeah, are
we
they?
have. Yep. I do still have some old trusty favorites from Davis.
Davis has a lot of good products.
That.
And affordable too. It's one of the things I always liked about Davis. As a pet groomer, you know, they had good, affordable products.
Yep. See if I have any. Ooh, I do have some pre-made here.
Oh yes, definitely purple. That was a good call.
Yeah, does that work?
And it really looks good with the
It
leopard print.
does, yeah.
It works.
See, your mama knows what she's
Oh,
talking
your
about.
mom's going to be so happy. Look at Charlotte. I'm sorry.
Oh, say I know
called
my
your name. She
name.
knows your name. Oh, beautiful.
Look at
that.
you. Pretty lady.
She is proud. Now, she can say, I love you.
Now, let's see if we can get you to do this. She did it for me once. Charlotte, I love you. I love you.
I love you, Charlotte.
I love you.
Oh.
I love you.
She said no.
I love you. I do.
Oh,
I love you.
How about a kiss? Oh,
I love you.
I
I love you.
we almost got it.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh my God, she's so cute. Oh my God.
Oh, you're fabulous.
Though we did get Charlotte to talk for us, she was much more chatty with her mother. She said I love you to her mother. She says it all the time. And unfortunately, I didn't have a mic on her, so you couldn't hear it, but she literally was saying I love you to her mom. Her mom says, tell me louder, tell me louder. It was the cutest thing. So there you go. There's the bond between mom and Shih Tzu.